I started using Claude 1 month ago, and this was the first website I did in Claude Chat. Second website was also done in Claude Chat but manually built in WordPress. After doing couple of websites in Claude Chat, I switched to Claude Code, and since last 2 weeks I have developed over 5 to 6 websites. Now Anthropic Labs have introduced Claude Design, and you can build prototypes, slide decks, and lot of other things using this. I am surely excited. I have used Figma, I have used Stitch, but to be honest, Claude Code is something that helped me build systems, work faster, helped me generate more revenue than I was doing manually earlier. That's the reason I am surely excited about Claude Design, and we'll see if it helps my Claude Code development. So let us build a real client website. This is the simple outline client provided me, and I will still go into Claude Chat and draft few things that would help me to put that into Claude Design. This is the logo provided, and if you see my prompt, it is simple prompt. Till the time it completes, we will go on to Claude Design, name our project as Oakline Builders, and we will not create a wireframe, rather we will go to high fidelity and click create. So we can even start with a sketch. We can draft things, you can see here, or we can put in design system, add a screenshot, add a code base, but we will simply go with design system and we will go on to choose the skills. Let's go through this and quickly choose this. We can surely click animated video, interactive prototype, front end design. Now add a screenshot, add a code base. So our document is ready, and we will simply paste this into Claude Design and see what output it gives to us. I just give prompt whatever I think as per this website things should be done, and then after the first draft is complete, I then refine the things. Let's see how different the design would be, and we will then see how better we can develop the website in Claude Code. So finally the design is actually ready, and to be honest, it is just superb. Why? Because we can just tweak things right away. If you see accent yellow, we can change it to something different, but we have to stick with yellow. But just showing you, this is surely a different thing that we cannot do in Claude Chat or Claude Code. Base ink is the background which you can see here. It is changing as per how we change it, and we can refine this. And display font, we can also change it, and hero headline, phone number, corner radius, how much we want to put the radius on different images or where it has applied the radius. I try to use different tools actually, and I just pasted in here in the Claude Chat that this is the prompt I gave to Claude Design, and what do you think? It also drafted the design which you can see here, and you can simply see it is surely looking much better than the HTML design, because if I cut this, you can see this section, it is much better compared to this one, right? Moreover, if you see heading, it will be clear that here it does not have idea what sizes I should use, because it is surely looking bad. While in the Claude Design, it is at least much better. It is not much larger font that is not readable. We have to refine these, and I guess if we want to edit anything, there is an edit option. We can click on this and we can change the font sizes. It is 106 pixels. I don't think it gives REM or EM options, but we can refine it according to our need, and we can put 80, which looks much better, and we can put line height as 1.2 so that there is enough gap. You can select each and every element and refine it according to your need, and this is surely gonna save a lot of time in order to change things, because in Claude Code we can also do these things, but doing it right away and changing the things is surely a great and fast way. So honestly, I am going to use this more because it will surely help me refine things faster. Now after refining all the things, I can exactly show you how I can take this design into Claude Code, and let me show you how I can export this design and then put it into Claude Code, and I can use different things. For example, I can turn it into a WordPress theme, I can turn it into a WordPress Elementor based website which I can edit it, and I can even host it directly, because in Vercel or Netlify you can directly host this as HTML version. But to be honest, in terms of client how they want the changes, there are a lot of revisions, there are a lot of changes which client wants, and being a no code user, I have to actually make it in a way so that even I can do changes easily and client can do it as well. So after doing all the changes which we need for our client, we can actually hand off this, download the zip, or export as PDF. There are a lot of options, and we can even hand off to Claude Code. For this, we need to just copy command, or we can even download the zip, which we already did. So we will copy to command. We will now open Claude Code and put the command up here. So I simply asked Claude Code to just make other pages. Once done, I will give it instructions, which I already did earlier for a lot of websites, and I have a video on that, how to convert any website into a foolproof WordPress theme, which you can edit with ease and do any changes as you like. The website is finally ready, and you can see all other pages have been created. This is our service page, this is our home page, and it has created each and every page perfectly. Now, in order to host this website, we can just download the files, host it on Netlify or Vercel. But mostly my clients want the website on WordPress, and I tend to convert it into a theme, or I use Elementor in order to convert that through the AI as well. Here are the instructions I will give to Claude Code in order to convert this into a WordPress theme, and you will see we will make it live and it will be editable through the WordPress. Here are the updated instructions, and I have a particular video on this as well, which you can check out, and I can ask it to convert it into a theme. So it took around 20 minutes in order to build this theme, and you can see all our files are completed, the child theme and the main theme, and we will upload it to our WordPress website. We will now need to create these pages, and then our website would be live. We will have to select the template, and here are the other pages, that is about, areas, contact, and for the home page we have to simply set this up in the customizer and set it as home page. We have created the pages, but the website is actually giving us an error, which you can see here. Now, how I do the changes and how I will be able to fix this directly, I will show you exactly. If it would have been live, that is fine, but we got an error and we will try to solve it live. We will install the file manager plugin, copy the exact error, and we will go back into the Claude Code. So if you now see, it has started to debug the things, and you can simply see it is editing the things, and within few minutes it will solve the issue and you don't have to do anything. So you can see the website is fixed, and you can see everything is live up there, and we had created few pages and both of them are live. If I preview this, and here it is, about us page I created, and you have to make sure ACF plugin is activated, which I did, and you can then edit each and everything up here. You can edit each and every page in here, and simply you can see every section is there, mark you, services, about, and you can change everything in this, hide any section in here. So you can hand over this website to the client, and whatever change he requires, you can simply do this, or he can also update the website by himself. I have tested this method multiple times, and the prompt helps you generate a website, and free of cost. With free ACF you can edit each and everything, and if you have ACF Pro, then it is cherry on cake and it will be superb. So I do hope you like the full process, and we even debugged the things live which can happen, so you can easily do those things and make Claude Code do all things for you. So if the video was helpful, do like the video and do also subscribe to the channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, have a good time.